Hi everyone! I'm gonna do unboxing for my new phone. This is the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It's Samsung. There. It's completely sealed pa because I just got it today. And then I bought also a case, a clear case. So, this is my phone. That's my husband. And there's my iPhone 15 Plus. So, we're gonna compare later. So, now, I'm gonna do an unboxing. So, I'm gonna do, it's black color, Z Flip 5. There, the light, Z Flip 5. And, yeah, you know it? It's 512 gig graphite black. So, there. Gonna do this. So now, I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's sealed. I can't do ASMR because I don't have a mic eh. So now it's open. So we're gonna open na. Might fall. Sorry. I'm just happy. So it comes with the phone, of course, and then it's so slim, so it's like an iPhone 15, and it comes with, I don't know what's in here, so it's empty. Let's open this box. Can't open ah. Oh, it's baliktad. It's upside down. So, oh. It's empty na. So, it comes with the cord, the power cord. It's Type-C. And then it comes with the Samsung Care, of course. And it comes with the pin. The SIM card slot something. So, that's it for this box. So, we're gonna put it aside. And then now, the phone. Yay! Okay. I'm gonna do the ASMR. So, that's it. And then, the phone itself. So, we're gonna open now the phone. I don't know where to open the phone. Oh my gosh. Oh, here. You flip this part. Ooh. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. And this is the phone. And if you can see at the background, it's me and my husband. So, hi there. Sorry for my face. So, this is the Samsung Z Flip 5. So, it's so slim. It's so slim. Like that. It comes with a power button. It's fingerprint, I think. Oh, yeah. And then the volume up and down. And then the SIM card slot. So, at the top is, what's that? The mic. I don't know. And here's with the mic also, I don't know too, but it's there. And then the charging port, and then the speaker. So now we're gonna compare this to my iPhone 15. So it's a bit taller than the 15 Plus. There. And it's a bit slimmer than the 15 Plus. You can see that. So, at the back, it's purely, it's clear. This is the black, it's not matte, and this is the iPhone, it's not matte also, so there. And for the camera, it has two camera, which you can flip to. So now we're gonna open. So or it's low bat. I think it's low bat po. Oh, it's not. Let's wait. Here's my ring for everyone's gonna ask. It's there. It's open. I'm gonna set it up later. So now I'll just turn this off. And then try to flip it. Oh, it's so slick. There, it says Samsung. And then, it's a screen also. There, it's a screen. You can check the notification and stuff. And you can even use it as a phone too. So, that's it. And then, I'm gonna open. Ah, it's smooth then whenever you open. So nice. So that's it po. I'm gonna check my case also. I got the case. So I only bought the clear one. So it has plastic seal pa. Then I remove that one. There. Gonna wipe it pa po. So later, I'm gonna show you. So, I remove the seals. And I just bought the clear ones because I got the black. So that it will be just like a simple phone. See? So nice. So that. So I think you should slide it down. I don't know. You don't have to slide it down. Oh, it's so nice. So there, it's good. It fits well. So that's it. This is my new phone, the Samsung Z Flip 5. Oh, it's upside down. There. Hope you like it. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please also subscribe to Johnson, my soon-to-be brother-in-law, and also to my husband, Corey Blake. Hi. Okay, bye-bye everyone.